When combined, intermittent fasting and the keto diet can complement each other, as the period of fasting can enhance the body's state of ketosis, and the high-fat intake of the keto diet can sustain energy levels during the fasting periods. The potential benefits of combining the two diets include enhanced weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, increased longevity, improved brain function, and improved cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting on the keto diet has several potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, increased longevity, improved brain function, and improved cardiovascular health. Some individuals may need help to stick to the diet due to its strict guidelines. There is an increased risk of nutrient deficiencies, as certain nutrients can only be obtained through food, not supplements. Practicing intermittent fasting on the keto diet in social situations can also pose a challenge, as one may need to abstain from eating while in the company of others. In conclusion, combining intermittent fasting and the keto diet has several potential health benefits, but also comes with its own set of challenges. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting this diet to ensure it is safe and appropriate for an individual's unique health needs and goals. In the following meal plan, eliminate one of the top or bottom selections when adding fasting into the daily eating plan. This way you will be fasting without realizing it. Here is a weekly meal plan to get you started. Monday, breakfast: 3 egg omelet with diced bell peppers, onions, and cheese, served with avocado and salsa on the side. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with a side of broccoli and cauliflower, dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. Dinner: creamy tomato and basil salmon, served over zucchini noodles. Tuesday, breakfast: low-carb breakfast bowl with scrambled eggs, diced bacon, avocado, and spinach. Lunch: tuna salad lettuce cups with cucumber, red onion, and dill. Dinner: baked pork chops with a side of green beans and mushrooms. Wednesday, breakfast: keto smoothie bowl with almond milk, spinach, avocado, and frozen berries. Lunch: chicken Caesar salad with romaine lettuce, chicken breast, Parmesan cheese, and keto Caesar dressing. Dinner: beef stir-fry with broccoli, cauliflower, and bell peppers, served over cauliflower rice. Thursday, breakfast: 3 egg omelet with diced tomatoes, spinach, and feta cheese, served with a side of turkey bacon. Lunch: turkey burger lettuce wrap with avocado and tomato. Dinner: creamy garlic shrimp, served over zucchini noodles. Friday, breakfast: keto breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs, diced bacon, avocado, and cheese, wrapped in lettuce. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with a side of cauliflower mash and steamed broccoli. Dinner: baked salmon with a side of asparagus and mushrooms. Saturday, breakfast: low-carb breakfast bowl with scrambled eggs, bacon, avocado, and spinach. Lunch, tuna salad lettuce cups with cucumber, red onion, and dill. Dinner, baked pork chops with a side of green beans and mushrooms. Sunday, breakfast, keto smoothie bowl with almond milk, spinach, avocado, and frozen berries. Lunch, chicken Caesar salad with romaine lettuce, chicken breast, Parmesan cheese, and keto Caesar dressing. Dinner, beef stir-fry with broccoli, cauliflower, and bell peppers, served over cauliflower rice. Note: keep in mind that this is just a sample meal plan, and you should consult with a doctor or nutritionist before starting any new diet or exercise plan. Additionally, it's also important to customize the meal plan based on your own dietary needs and preferences, making sure you're getting enough nutrients.